Hey guys, welcome back to Living in Thailand. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming on back. Your girl got a new video and some new hair. I actually did this hair. I did not film it because there's just so many tutorials on how to do Marley twist that I wasn't going to add much to the conversation. So I'll link some below if you want to just know how I did this style. But for this video, this is actually an Asos clothing haul. I picked up a few things from Asos and I thought that I would share with you guys. I saw all the love that I got on my thrift haul video, so I figured that, you know, why not just do another clothing haul just to see, you know, what you guys are liking. So if you have not watched my thrift haul video, please go check that out first and then come back to watch this one. Just a disclaimer, I don't buy a lot of stuff, but like I've said in my thrift haul video, I like cleared out a lot of the clothes in my closet, so I do have to kind of replenish and put some things back in. I'm not a huge fan of fast fashion, and I try not to get a lot of items like that. However, sometimes it's really hard to say no when things are super cheap, and for Asos I got a lot of stuff, not a lot of stuff, but I got some stuff that I did not have to break. I got a lot of stuff that I did not have to break the bank for, so I definitely wanted to show those items in case that you are interested in purchasing. I just know Asos is like a huge place, so it's very hard to like really know like what to get, what's of quality and things like that. So I'm gonna go through some of the items that I bought, so let's get into it. So all the items I got aren't necessarily summer. Some of the things I got were kind of like I can wear them in the spring, fall, winter even, but they were like cheaper, so I was just like, let me go on and get those now. So I'll show those to you too. But first up is this swimsuit that I got. It's just a black one piece, but it has like this like tie around thing, little one piece number. I think that is cute. I like the low cut because it's like a one piece but kind of a little bit sexier, and you know, you don't necessarily have to have the flattest stomach to wear it, because just another disclaimer, that's my issue right now. As I get older, I think I am the girl who gets the belly fat. Like all my fat goes to my belly, so I have to like really start working out. Even though I'm skinny, like even though that I'm skinny, I just remember my stomach used to be super duper flat, and it's not that no more. So we got to get in shape. But the black swimsuit is definitely something that that I picked up and I actually like. So yeah. Next, in the spirit of still swimsuits, I picked up this cover up, which was really cheap. The material is okay. It does feel like a cheaper material. I probably will be able to keep this maybe for like 2 years, which I typically don't like to buy things that I'm gonna have to get rid of so quickly. If I just wear this as a summer thing, like a summer cover up, I'll be able to keep it for a long time. But this is very short. I do like that it has the little cutout in the front. I'm not sure if this was supposed to be like an actual outfit. I'm wearing this as a like as a romper for my like swimsuits, like just a cover up. But yeah, this was super cheap and I picked this up too. I like it. It's cool. I'm a size 4 in this, and I'm also a 4 in the swimsuit that I had. So next is more of a trendier piece. It is the kind of like asymmetrical trendy skirt, which I like this one. I always wanted another blue jean skirt, but I really haven't been able to find one. I like how this fits, I think. And I'm also trying to only wear clothes that I love, so I'm really gonna try to like wear this with an actual outfit, because I think that I like it. I just need to like wear it like with a really good outfit. I like this because I can wear this in the winter time with like some tights underneath with some boots. It's definitely summer appropriate, fall. It's like all seasons to me, so that's why I got it, and it was also cheap. But yeah, the quality is definitely a blue jean material. I'm a size UK 8, which I think is a US 4. But yeah, this is the blue jean skirt. Okay, we're talking about clothes that we love, and y'all probably gonna think that I'm basic because I love this so much, but this mustard like colored jacket, like button down. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like an actual like jacket or if it's supposed to be a shirt, but I've been wearing it as a jacket. I've actually worn this a couple of times already. I'm a US 4 in this and it fits. I just love this so much. Like I'm taking this with me on my trip. Like it has weight to it, but it's also airy, you know what I mean? It's like that perfect mix between it's warmer in the day but it's a little chillier at night, and you can just throw this on and be totally comfortable. Or if you just want to take it on a plane. I really love the color. I love how it fits. I love that it's a button down, so I can even like tie it in the front and wear it in a different way too. But so far I've been wearing this as a jacket and I absolutely love this piece. I love this piece. Speaking of other jackets, I got this like lilac jacket that I really like. It's oversized. I looked at the reviews. I'm a US 2, which is still kind of big on me, but I think I like the you know, the oversized look. Can definitely pair this and layer this in the fall, even in the winter time. So I'm really excited about this one. It is a little bit heavy. It's just a light jacket, but it's a little heavy, if that makes sense. It is a light jacket, but it's heavy. And I just really like the color. I think that it'll just pair well with just like jeans or like black sweats, or just one of those items that you can throw on and you kind of still look cool and stylish. Like that's what I like. So yeah, I like this. All right, this is another piece that I really like. It's this skirt. It has like these buttons on it that I really like, and it has a slit. I like the material. It definitely is breathable. It's a little bit see-through, so I definitely have to be aware of that, but I really like this. I feel like you can dress it up, dress it down if you want to wear it to a brunch, or if you just want to throw on your chucks and just like a t-shirt, you can do that. So I'm really excited about this piece too. But yeah, this is really cute. It's long, nice material, and yeah. All right, this is another outfit that I'm not sure if I absolutely love, so I may take it back, but it is this romper, shorts romper. I'm not a huge fan of the sleeves. It's like that scrunchy material on the sleeves, which I do not like. And it fits okay. I paired it with the belt that it came with, but I also tried on a belt that I have, and I think I like it better with that. But I'm also trying to figure out if I'm really gonna wear this. I'm not sure, and like I said, I'm only trying to wear clothes that I absolutely love. So if I don't really care for it now, I'm probably not gonna wear it. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. Let me know if I should keep it if you guys like it. All right, next on the list is this white shirt, which I do like. I'm just not a huge fan of buying white clothes because I just feel like you just can't have it that long. I don't know, maybe I don't wash whites great, or I just am prone to spilling things on myself, so I typically don't buy like white clothes, especially if they are more expensive, if I know that I'm not going to be able to wear it a lot, you know. So but I bought this one because I really like the back. So this is actually the back. It's like a low cut back. It's thin. I think I can wear this. See, that's what I'm like, is it already something on here? I think I can wear this now a little bit, maybe at night, but definitely when it gets a little bit fall. It's thin though, so that's the thing. It's not like a winter shirt at all. It is thin, but this is what I got. I like it. It was pretty cheap too, so I think I'll keep this. I just need to figure out like how to keep white clothes white. Like I'm not the best at that, so that's why I usually steer clear of purchasing white clothes, because like I know I'm not gonna be able to keep it. But I got this shirt. Do I make sense? I don't know, but yeah, got this. And then the next two items are shoes. So I actually got on Asos to purchase shoes, but I'm one of those people who like, okay, if I buy something, the purchase needs to be big enough for me to buy it, right? So like for instance, if I'm just going to the store and only pick up one thing, unless I truly need that one thing, I usually just leave the store, because I'm like, I don't want to stand in line just for this one item. And it's like, do I truly need it? do I? So if I don't need it, then I'll just be like, okay, this ain't my time to shop. Like, I need to put more things in the cart to make it like, yes, I got a package from Asos, yes, I got a package from Target. I know, I don't even know if that makes sense, but that's what I do. But I bought some shoes, and that is what prompted the purchase. I bought these sandals, which I thought were really cute. I needed like some new color shoes, and I'm so excited I got these. And I like the heel. I don't know if you can see the heel. It's not just like straight down, it's a little bit thicker, and these so far are comfortable. However, I do need to put like an extra, my ankles are so skinny, I need to put an extra like hole in it to tighten it around my ankle. But so far so good. It does have like the I guess like memory foam or padding in the shoe, so it isn't like super hard. But I really like this color. I'm going to finally wear these, but I mean, I just got them, but I'm going to wear these and let you guys know like how comfortable they are. But yeah, these are the shoes that I got. I wear a size 9. I really feel like I should have got a 10. Not that the 9 aren't, they do fit. I just feel like the 10 would probably, I like to have like a little bit more room in my shoes. But these are the 9 and they fit perfectly, so definitely true to size. But yeah, I like these and I can't wait to wear them. Hopefully these are comfortable, fingers crossed, so I can wear these out. So yeah, got some sandals. And then I also saw these other pair of sandals that I got. They're kind of like, you know, the Jesus sandals, but these are actually pretty comfy. So again, I haven't worn these out. I'm going to try to wear these when I go on my trip. It is pretty flat, but it doesn't feel horrible. It does have padding here. I do like these. They just are just those comfortable shoes, you know what I mean? Like those just shoes that you slide on and it's just like, oh, okay, these are cool and I like them. So yeah, last but not least is this dress. Honestly, I bought this dress 2 years ago on Asos. I just wanted to show y'all since I'm doing this Asos haul because I've never worn it. It literally still has the tags on it. But yeah, it is this like taupe-ish, purplish colored dress that is like off the show, one shoulder, asymmetrical split, booty look nice in it. I bought this to wear to a wedding, but all the weddings that I've been to, I had to wear like a particular color. So hopefully the wedding that I'm going to this year, I can wear this with. I just need to find some shoes with it, but I really like it, and I just wanted to show y'all because I haven't been able to wear it. So if I don't wear it, at least it's on YouTube, right? At least it lives on the tube. So yeah. And that's it. That is my Asos haul. Like, I wrote this stuff down. And yeah, that's it. That is my little mini Asos haul that I got. Let me know if you shop at Asos, what do you typically get from there? Asos is literally just like it's its own Google of like clothes, so it's very hard sometimes or challenging to find things that are like of quality, that is priced right, because some stuff on there I'm just like, who's paying this much for this stuff? You know what I mean? Like, I've never heard of this brand. Like, who's paying $200 for this dress? But they do have some really cute things on there. So yeah, I thought I'll just do a quick hop in, do a quick little haul to show you guys what I got. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next one.